What's up guys, Lazy Money UK here, teaching you how to make money online. It's time to withdraw my first $20 from Honeygain and see if they truly pay out. Stay tuned to find out if they really sent the money. Honeygain is a passive income app, meaning you get paid for doing absolutely nothing. It claims to work in every country. The app takes unused bandwidth from your internet connection and sells it to those mysterious data scientists to use in their projects. If you really want to know how the data gets used, you can read about it on the Honeygain blog, but I assure you it's quite boring. You're allowed to run the app on 2 devices per IP address, with a choice of Windows, Apple Mac and Android versions available. If you have more than one IP address, you can run the app on multiple devices. A major selling point of the app is that it runs in the background, meaning it's stackable with other passive income apps like AA Music. Computers supposedly earn more than Android phones due to using the new content delivery feature. This means that your bandwidth is used for more intensive content such as videos. I haven't noticed any difference in earnings since this feature was added though. Besides, I'm more willing to leave my phone on overnight to make money for me. The amount you earn is going to depend on the demand for traffic and the number of other Honeygain users in your local area, and of course, your internet speed. In my current situation, I have a disappointingly low earning rate. I only just make it over 10 cents on a good day. I'm still happy to go about my life knowing I will receive $20 someday in the future for doing absolutely nothing. I'd recommend that you at least try the app out for yourself and see how well it works for you. The sign-up bonus is really good on this one. You'll get $5 credited to your account as soon as you join. If you find my content useful, please consider using my referral code as it will help me keep making these videos. Also, check out the video I did about AA Music if you're looking for more passive income apps. After a big song and dance consisting of no less than 6 confirmation emails, they finally sent the payment 2 days later. But hang on, that's not the amount I was expecting.
Is it? It doesn't look right. I think you probably need a bit more sleep, mate.
According to the small print, there is not only an exorbitant transaction fee, but also a conversion fee when you choose your local currency. Thanks for watching this Lazy Money UK video all the way to the end. I'll see you again soon with some more money making tips.